Mitch, you ruined it for me.
Has anybody seen the Wolverine one?
No, but over the weekend, I watched.
Some of the CGI is really bad.
They have Ryan
They totally don't do the right story of Garrett.
Shea, what are you doing?
Well, they do the right
Trying to
story of
enter
Garrett.
Snot.
You're such a retard.
And then Sabretooth, they totally get him wrong.
Is it a good show?
Stop it, I'm concentrating.
Trey actually had it like 3 or 4 weeks before it came out. Except the graphics on it were all kind of messed up.
They're really trash. I mean, like, there's some
I watched The Curious Case of Benjamin Button.
Was it cute?
It was kind of trippy.
Kind of trippy? You don't even know the definition of trippy.
It was crazy. What are you doing?
What about, has anybody seen Star Trek?
I'm putting your face on a motion picture.
I don't want to move my face on a
New
motion.
Star Trek, they're trying to start a whole new generation of Trekkies. It's not even cool.
Damn
Kill
it.
the Trekkies.
I used to watch it a lot.
That's because you're lame.
Oh, that's not.
There's no lightsaber.
Do you need help? What are you trying to do?
The Star Trek was
Star Wars is dead, dude.
10 years.
Don't say that. It's not dead as long as it's in my heart. My
What are you
Cheetos
trying to
are-
do?
Tie this knot, but I'm too stupid.
Gimme.
That movie, Mr. Brown, The Curious Case of Benjamin Button.
Is that good?
I watched it over the weekend. It
It's
was
stupid to me.
What is?
no, it was weird. Curious Case of Benjamin Button.
Oh, somebody said the movie's great.
It was
I thought it
good.
looked terrible.
No, it was really good.
That's what I thought, so I didn't watch it.
No, because like he's born and he's like this wrinkly old baby and he looks really ugly. He looks like an
It said
alien.
like they had a thumb. What are you doing, buddy? You should be like staring at
Listening to what you're saying about this movie.
I heard something about like if the movie title has more than 5 words, that it has like terrible reviews usually.
No, it was really good. And then like
Then
he
what
was
do they
a
make
baby
up for
in
it?
the end and he lost.
I have the purest Walter and
What?
That's
Nadia.
proven wrong with the Twilight movie.
Did you like it?
No, it's terrible.
Twilight? That movie sucked.
It was terrible compared to the book.
The next one's gonna be so much better.
It better be, but they have a better director, so it should be.
Dakota Fanning's in it.
Are they getting rid of that?
Have you seen Man on Fire?
No.
No. No, the whole feud about that was because
That was such a good movie.
Edward leaves,
It's like
and then him
he's like a bodyguard in
Robert
Mexico
Pattinson
City, and Dakota Fanning
and the
gets
guy who
kidnapped.
plays Jacob got in this huge fight because Robert and Kristen are dating now.
No, they're not.
Well, they were at one point.
They were at one point.
Because they are now, it doesn't matter. The point is we're having a conversation.
When you like, or like he had their hand.
What did I miss?
Do you need me to do that one too?
I saw Hot Shots last night.
Give it to me.
I'm gonna redo my. I'm gonna put it in like some weird, crazy bun thing.
You're such a tard, Lashea. Why are you untying
Oh my
it?
god.
They're just too small.
Well, this one isn't gonna get any bigger.
But oh my gosh.
So I've been pushing down on it. Did you lose yet?
Dude, that one was sneaky. I got triple shot. He got through.
No, you have to see the first movie before you actually on it. You're
No,
not
I'm sorry.
Look at how fluffy it is.
How's the comedian?
Look it.
I'm just saying.
It's mellowing out though compared to like how it used to be.
You're so fishbowl. You're ice cream like that hard.
Wait, I need a mirror.
No, I didn't.
I'm using Domo for a mirror. Like find Domo.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Just take it. There's no knot on one side.
What are we doing with the paper?
Take this with me.
Douglas!
Mr. Brown, my paper's right here. It's already done.
You would think that.
No, we have to take it with us.
I don't want to take it with us. It's retarded. Yeah, I already know this crap.
Damn it!
Allie,
Darn it.
please.
It was like Brandon back to the car home.